Hello and welcome to my home. Today we're going to make our own breakfast sandwich at home. That's right, at home. You don't have to go through the drive-thru and ask for order number 1, 3, 7, or 10 to get your breakfast sandwich going. I'm going to show you all the steps. It's easy to do, but before we go there, I want to let you know that I have other tasty and easy recipes on my channel. I do product reviews and I have tips on growing fresh vegetables in containers. Yes, containers. So check that out when you get a chance. Well, let's get to making that sandwich. I'm hungry. For my breakfast sandwich, the meats I'm going to use is a turkey sausage and some bacon. So I'm going to make a couple of different types of breakfast sandwiches. And the twist on this is going to be, instead of a biscuit, I'm going to use some nice baguettes. Yes, some baguettes to give some crunch to that sandwich. So let me go ahead. I'm going to microwave my bacon in my microwave dish right here. And then this sausage is already fully cooked, and I'll just go ahead and heat that in the microwave too. So you see, this is super simple so far. I'll be right back. Alrighty, I got the bacon done. I got the turkey sausage done, all in the microwave. I have some cheese, because I'm going to put cheese on our sandwiches, and this cheese is kind of thick, so I just cut it in half, and that's enough cheese for us. But if you want double the cheese, then add as much cheese as you want. I also heated up the bread. Let me pan that over there. So I've heated up those baguettes according to the directions. And now I'm just going to lay some cheese on there and put it back in the oven to let it melt while I cook the eggs. And I'm going to cook the eggs on a regular flat top type fryer. You can use a fry pan. So let me get to that and I'll be right back. I got my eggs going. I'm going to put a little cracked black pepper on it. I'm going to put just a bit of salt. Don't need to put that much because we have bacon and the turkey sausage, and they both have salt in that. Now I like my eggs over easy, but I have other family members who like their eggs well done, so I'm going to cook that all to specifications. Now you could sprinkle some garlic powder over here if you want, or some onion powder, but I'm satisfied with just the taste of the breakfast meats and the eggs and a little salt and pepper and the cheese, and I'm going to be very happy. So when I come back, I'm going to show you how I'm going to assemble this breakfast sandwich. Alright, my eggs are done. I'm going to start assembling this sandwich. Let me turn this one around. You see, I got the cheese melted on there by placing it back in the oven just for a minute or two. The first thing I want to do is, I'm just going to do a bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich. So I'm going to put that bacon right down there. You can break it off to fit. Get you an egg on there. And for us, we're going to do 2 eggs. Oh yeah. Now for the next one, it's going to be a turkey sausage. Now I'm just going to put one of those on there. Put that. Another egg. Oh boy, oh boy. Now this is the kicker. On this one I'm doing turkey sausage and bacon. This is going to be my meat lovers. Oh yeah, meat lovers. Let's put 2 bacon on there. And 2 nice eggs. Now tell me that doesn't look good. Now isn't that much tastier looking than what you can get at a drive-thru, and it's cooked just the way you like it? Yeah, and you can wrap this up and take this with you to the office if you don't have far to travel. Yeah, wonderful. Here's that meat lovers. Oh boy, somebody's going to be happy to get that. It might be me. Okay, that's it for now. Bye-bye.